Hi, it's Faceless Tech. Someone a while ago made a comment saying, could you make a Gameboy macro with a TV out that just used one cable for power, video, and audio? And I was like, ooh, that. I was like, you mean like a Nintendo Switch? And they're like, yes. I was like, sounds like an interesting idea. So basically, I knew I'd have to probably abuse the USB-C standard, but more on that later. I'll give you a quick demo of it first to see how it all works. So basically, you got your Gameboy macro, TV'd out. We're going to use a little screen here to represent our TV. Next up, we've got a box that goes from the DS to here, connected USB-C cable, just a standard USB-C cable. Connect it to the DS port on this. Next, we've got video and audio out. There's audio, there's video. We're going to connect all video to the telly because we've only got a speaker on this, but if you connect it to telly, you'd have the extra. Don't wire. So, and then lastly, we'll connect our charging port. This is basically USB-C charging. So we've got charging, one cable coming out. Let's fire it up, and then we should have, there we go, TV out. And then we've got the usual split screens. We've got the picture-in-picture mode. Picture-in-picture only mode works on that, not on the telly. So you can switch the big telly over. Handy. But yeah, that is pretty much how it works. So the sound's coming out of the speaker here. So it's quite loud, isn't it, for a PSP 2000 speaker? But I'll get into more details now, really. Take all that away. So what you've got basically inside here is one of my modified USB-C charge ports. This charge port will work like a normal one. It's got the resistors. You can just connect up a normal charger, so it works exactly the same way. Nothing's changed. If you never use it to plug in the telly, that's that. So basically it just works exactly the same, but I've added these two ports on the side, these little two contacts here, which one's for video and one's for the audio. So you'll do like your TV out mod, and instead of connecting to the 3.5mm headphone jack, you connect it to here basically, and then that takes it to the box. Takes it to the box, which has got a little PCB inside, which has got another basically mirrored. These are 12-pin USB-C, USB 2 ports. They have the D plus and the D minus on them, as well as the power and ground. They're quite easy. They're probably the easiest port for USB-C, USB 2 to use. I use these in my sort of iPod conversion mod, USB-C. But yeah, that's why I kind of got the idea. I was like, ooh, what about if you use these? So yeah, basically what it does, take the D plus, the D minus, and then it's broken out to two RCA ports there, and then it's got a normal 6-pin USB-C power port with the resistors, so that'll work. Plug anything in, USB-C, USB-C cable, USB-A to USB-C cable, all that'll work. So yeah, it worked out pretty well in the end, really. Nice little PCB. Got the PCBs and it's all good. As usual, I'll have a blog post with more details on this, with all the board files, this board file, this case for this, all the parts that you'll need. It's not really much to it really, as long as you're happy doing the TV out mod. Obviously there's a link to that in that blog post, the original blog post I made, that used the TV out mode in the cheap way by just using a resistor ladder instead of the other chips and stuff involved. So it's not an easy project to do, but it's quite a cheap project to do. You probably need some enamel wire. I normally use a microscope and stuff because my eyes are getting a bit old these days. But yeah, as usual, thanks for watching. Bye.